In this video, I want to show you how you can make money on ClickBank using Instagram. Now this is going to be a very beginner-friendly method. I'm going to show y'all a few examples that I found just doing a little bit of research just now on how you can set this up for yourself and start making $100 a day, if not more, if you work at it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, so I'm assuming you already have a ClickBank account, but if you don't, all you have to do is just come over to clickbank.com, head over to create an account. And when you get to this page, you just want to fill out your basic information, first name, last name, address, banking information, your account information, then confirm it via email, and you'll be pretty much good to go. Then you can hit back, and boom, once your account is all set up, you can head over to the affiliate marketplace so you can start finding the products to promote. Like I said in my previous videos, whenever I'm looking for products to promote, I just come over, hit the search bar, so to bring up all the products sorted by by popularity. Normally you could do popularity or gravity. Gravity is basically this number right here, which is 213, which means that this is 213 different people that's making money with this offer currently. I think within like the last few weeks, that's the number of affiliates that made money promoting that offer. But yeah, whenever I'm checking out some offers, I like to check out the sales page. For example, if we was interested in the Ted's Woodworking, which is hot on a lot of different platforms, on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, this is a high offer. But yeah, it's just a woodworking plans offer. As you can see, 16,000. Now the method I wanted to show y'all is people actually building like pages around the offers. Like for example, building a woodworking page. I'm about to pull up for y'all right now. All you basically doing in this method is just posting woodworking like projects and things like that. Just cool woodworking projects, and then telling people they can yeah, you're just telling people to check out the link in your description so they can buy whatever you're selling. But this is not the best example, but let me show y'all like the daily workload they doing. You can see all they doing is just posting different woodworking art projects, whatever you want to call it. And let's see how often they posting. One day ago, let's check out the other posts. A day ago. So as you can see, they posting more than once a day. I could tell they probably posting 3 to 5 times per day, which is great. And in every post, they make sure they include, I think this is about 25 hashtags, with the 1 to 2 line caption along with the hashtags. That's pretty much all they doing, posting every day. They not following too many people, so I can't imagine them doing the follow unfollow method. That method is basically just going over to pages like this, going to they following and just ripping all their followers and unfollowing the ones that don't follow you back. That's all that is. But this they probably built from just posting every day and people finding them through hashtags, or they brought shout outs to build their pages up. Either way, they promoting, as you can see, a t-shirt on Teespring. You can set this up. If you don't want to do the ClickBank offer, you could get you a graphic made on Fiverr or something, or create yourself and put that in your bio. So yeah, whenever you're driving traffic to your page, people can check this out. Sawdust is man glitter apparel, t-shirts, hoodies, blah blah blah, with a call to action saying get yours now. And it goes to say t-shirt. Here's another example of a woodworking page, woodworking.love. They got 1,000 posts, 158,000 followers, and following 4,000 people. So they probably doing the unfollow method. I mean, the follow unfollow method. Excuse my craziness, but yeah, as you can see right here, I can tell they promoting Ted's Woodworking offer. 50 woodworking plans, free download. Download your copy, 50 free, blah blah blah. Link in bio. So then when people click the link in the bio, let's see where it goes. Boom, tedswoodworking.com. As you can see, Ted's Woodworking. They promoting a different link. As you can see, it's the regular sales page, and they promoting the 50 free plans, which works as well because more than likely when you enter your email address here, let me see, John Doe. More than likely, when you enter your email address, they're going to send you the free woodworking plans to your email and then upsell you the 16,000 plans. I mean, if you interested in 50 free plans, why wouldn't you get 16,000 more? It just makes sense. So let's see where it actually takes us. Thank you for subscribing. Get your free woodworking plan below. Boom. So let's scroll down some more, see what's going on. More plans coming. Boom, here we go. Download 16,000 more woodworking plans. Blah, blah, blah. And add to cart. Now when it's gonna take them straight to the cart where they could just purchase. Yep, as you can see, this is the affiliate CB0717. Boom. So that's this method working live for y'all. Somebody actually promoting the Ted's woodworking offer on Instagram. Like I said, to build these pages up, you want to post viral woodworking content. You can find that off other pages. You can download them off Facebook pages, Pinterest, Google, whatever you got to do to find some attractive woodworking posts. Something like this. It's cool. You can post this and in your captions, say something like follow us and link it to your profile, of course. You can give people credits to whoever picture you got it from, and make sure you're using your hashtags. I think on Instagram and all your posts you can use up to 25. Not sure, but somewhere around there you can use 25 hashtags, so you can get more organic traffic to your page, and then go on other competitors like this. So when you build up your pages, you can go to their followers and rip their following, and ultimately get more eyeballs to your page that you created. So let's check out the last woodworking. Before I show y'all another example, let me see. Look like they promoting a wooden clock. So, oh yeah, for example, like I said, when you could buy shout outs to build up your pages, DM or email for promo/shout out. That's all you really got to do. They got 334,000 followers and following 4. So they built this probably a long time. As you can see, 1,200 posts. Now to make that many posts, you have to be active on here for a long time. It's cool. I absolutely love these bikes. Tag someone who loves bikes. Blah blah blah. From Woodwork Creations. Boom. Like I said, they using hashtags and every post to get more organic traffic, and they promoting the wooden clock in their bio. Simple funnels, works the best. Now you can get you a profile picture made on Fiverr for about $5 to $10, or you can just make it yourself. Or I normally just rip them off of Google or look at other Facebook fan pages to give me a profile picture, make your basic bio and a link to whatever you want to promote. You can see they promoting the wooden clock for $30. Now you can imagine out of 334,000 followers, they making a ton of sales off of this. So I mean, just imagine you selling 3 wooden clocks a day for $30. That's $90 a day. $90 a day for 3 sales, and they probably making more than that. For all I know. Let's see how many posts they. So they just posted 30 minutes ago with 4,500 views. To see their last post 12 hours ago. So yeah, I can tell they posting pretty consistently, which is a good sign. And then that's the woodworking example. Now I want to show y'all another offer. Like, where was I just? The numerology. These are hot, like everywhere. Just like the Ted's woodworking offer, the numerology offers is hot too. So let's see. Numerology. Hope I spelled it right. Here's a couple. Let me see. Go to one of those pages. Open this in a new tab. Open this in a new tab. And a last one. Numerology 5. Let's see what they're working with. 20K, 21K followers, 721 posts, and 5,000 following. So they probably doing the follow method. You can see they posting regular. It's not even their content. It's just a bunch of content they downloaded themselves from other people's pages or Pinterest or Google. Like I said before, if you need some direction in life, want an accurate foresight, get your free personalized numerology report on the link below. See, I can tell right now they already promoting the numerology offer, the numerologist. So it's actually, I don't know, if you're new to my page, I told y'all in the previous video, I can't remember what video, but whenever you want to look at how much traffic a Bitly link is getting, all you do is paste the link and add a plus sign at the end, and then hit enter. It'll tell you how much traffic it's getting. So with a 20K following, let's see. Whoa, 13,000, over 13,000, almost 14,000 clicks. As you can see, where it's going straight to the ClickBank offer. Let's see. Free personalized numerology report. Boom. Now you think out of 13,800 clicks, they making they making a ton of money. Even if they only converted, let's say 3% of that. 3%. Let's see. I want to see for myself. Times 0.03. Boom. That's over 415 sales times the price of this offer, which is you get paid what, $30. 415 times 30. So at 3% conversion rate, they made over $12,000. They made 5 figures promoting this offer. Like, what? That is crazy. All they doing is posting. Oh, I did not mean to download that. But all they doing is posting numerology posts every day. Explore your life path, blah, blah. I can almost guarantee they're using the same caption in every post. Along with, like I said, hashtags for organic traffic. So let's see if they're using the same stuff. Yep. Let's see with the third one. Yeah, it's all the same stuff. They're using the same caption, same hashtags in every single post. All it is just a different one. That's all they doing. They posting different numerology, what's it called? Memes, not memes, but just different numerology pictures every day. Now to find these pictures, like I said, just search numerology or manifestation pictures, or you can search through the hashtags to find the pictures, download them, upload them onto your own page, make a basic bio. If you need some direction in life, get your free. This is what is called a call to action, where you basically telling them what to do and put your link, your affiliate link. Now, as you can see, all he did was grab his hop link from Instagram and mask it with Bitly. Bitly is free if you don't know. Boom. That's all he did. Paste it here. Numerology 1010. I don't know what's up with my audio on this video in particular, but it cut me off, and my editor, it cut me off. I was talking for like 5 minutes for no reason, but that's pretty much the method, man. You just heading over to ClickBank, creating you a free account. Creating you a free account, ClickBank, creating you a niche. Once you find the offer you want to promote on ClickBank, you want to create a page surrounding that niche, not the offer. So yeah, if you wanted to promote the numerologist offer, you'll make a page around numerology, post every day, covering manifestation, numerology, etc., etc. Make sure you're posting multiple times a day. That's when you're gonna get the most results from. Make sure you're using hashtags in every post. In this example, as you can see, you're using the same caption in all his posts, so you don't even have to be that creative to do this. Just make sure you use the hashtags, nice caption, and giving them a call to action in all your posts. As you can see, you get your free personalized numerology report by following the link in my bio. They go there, they obviously go to the offer where they get their free report, and then they'll follow up with them via email and directly on the next page where they can get a whole, I think it's like a whole numerology report for however much it costs. I think it's like $30-something, and you make commissions. As you can see, this guy got over 13,000 link clicks to this offer. So like I said, if he's getting even a 3% conversion rate, he already made 5 figures promoting this offer on Instagram. So like I said, man, just work this method every day. If you don't have that kind of time, which is only 30 minutes to an hour a day, you can always go to numerology pages that's bigger than yours and buy shout outs to build your page. But yeah, man, if you like this video, drop a like, comment down below, let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon if you haven't already to be notified when I release new videos. I have my CPA affiliate marketing course as well as the tools I use in the description of this video. And that's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching.